the elevator at the 524 East 20th Street in Stuyvesant Town in New York City. It's an Otis.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
That's right.
If someone is in there, we'll hide. Oh, it's coming. No. Come on, wait. Another one.
Okay. Good. Oh. Another one.
What's else coming? We'll get the next one. Good.
No one's in here.
Alright. Go to 2. T. Okay. And look.
Hi. And 12 floors.
We're stopping on 1. Hello, Ray. Hi.
It's cold today. You don't have the cold?
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Get back in here. Alright. Gotta.
Sorry. I didn't.
I got you.
I didn't like that.
Mm-hmm.
I got you going out. I made a mistake.
Okay. It's okay. We'll get off at 12 and then we'll look at the stairs.
Yeah.
We'll get off. This time.
At 12.
Okay, let's go.
Look the stairs.
Look at the stairs. Look at some
up
time.
and look down.
We're on the top. 12. Look down there. Don't open that door.
I'm not. What do you think?
I'm just reminding you.
I'm not gonna do it.
Look way down there.
Way down there.
That's dangerous. Don't do that. Look down there.
Yeah. And look up there.
Let's
That's the
see.
ceiling. We're on the top floor.
And look at the whole star.
And you want to go back down?
All right, now look at the B stairs, and then we'll go back down.
The B stairs. Let me do the B stairs.
Where are you going?
I'm going to go to 11.
And then you'll go up to the 11 to 12.
Yes.
Okay. This is an apartment building. It's very nice. And look. Charlie. Alright, now let's go up here.
Were you videoing by yourself?
We're on the B stairs.
It's on this side.
Yeah.
It's hard this time.
What?
Look down there. See that black thing?
Yeah, you can see that black
That's
thing.
not really black.
It's not really black.
I just heard it.
Because it ends at M. And it's the bottom.
Want to go back down?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's far. Way down there. Way down
Well, this will go down.
there. Look.
Down there. Go back down.
Alright, now we'll go back. Alright, now we'll go back down.
We're going to go M or T.
When will you do our cab view?
What's the cab? What's a cab view?
It's when you take a look at the elevator.
Well, now.
Want to go down?
Yes.
Alright, we'll go back down. Alright, now we'll go back down.
One button because we're at the top floor.
I think it's, yes, this one.
Let's go back to T. Let's go to T so I can see what button over there.
And then we'll go. And then we'll end at 8. And then look at our apartment.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
The one's at T.
Alright, press T. It's burned out.
Yeah, we're now.
Alright, while down, we'll go do our cab view.
Did you do this?
Pretty nice elevator. It's got a small mirror there. Opposite. It's got lights. There's a fair security camera. There's the fixtures. There's a phone. Small elevator. And here we are in T. Now we'll walk around.
Yep, it has one button.
Now we'll look around. It's outside. Get back in here. Alright, now we'll go to 8. Alright, now we'll go to 8. Where we ended.
Oh, I just heard that sound.
That's fine.
I heard that again. Again.
We're almost there.
Again.
Here we are back at 8. Where we just got on. This is what our apartment is. And
That's what it's here.
there it goes. And
Huh?
You guys okay?
Yeah.
yes. That's the apartment. And this is our apartment. 8A. 8A. I don't have the keys. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Nice apartment.
You done?
Yeah, it's our apartment.
You guys want to sit again?
Yes. There we go.
Wait, Dad, could we put
That's the thing where you can see where's the entrance. And this is the apartment.
Yeah, so
Or
just this
bathroom.
sit here.
That's our room.
We'll take a
Here's
look.
the kitchen. And that's it.